Welcome to ZOYN's plating plant. All the pieces after machining will be coated based on customers' needs. Some tests will be carried out, such as coating thickness and corrosion resistance. Here is the X-ray coating thickness tester. We use this equipment to test the type of the metal coating and the thickness of it. As for corrosion resistance ability, we carry out natural salt spray test or highly accelerate aging test. Thermal shock test can also be carried out to test coating binding force qualitatively. Some customers also use this test to judge temperature resistance of magnets. Pieces after surface treatment will be taken to packaging workshop for final inspection and packaging. The final inspection usually includes size and tolerances, appearance, magnetic properties such as magnetic flux or magnetic moment and irreversible flux loss ratio, and etc. For size and tolerances inspection, we normally use micrometer, projection dimension measuring instrument, gauge, and CCD cameras. The appearance is generally inspected by human eye. For products with particularly large quantities or smaller size, we use CCD cameras. Magnetic flux or magnetic moment can be detected by home-port coil. For customers with irreversible flux loss test requirement, we record the data of the magnets before and after being heated in the oven and calculated to get it. After these steps, magnets can be magnetized according to customers' needs. The magnetization step is optional. Customers usually tell us whether they want the product to be magnetized to meet their transportation or assembly requirements. That's it for the product testing equipment in our plating plant. For material testing equipment, please watch our previous video.